Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate showings with ShowingTime, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the ShowingTime website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Showings tab on the navigation menu. Click on Showings to view your scheduled appointments. Select the property for which you want to automate showings. Click on the settings icon for that property. Under the settings, find the Automate Showings option. Toggle the automation feature to on. Set your preferred showing hours for the property. Decide how much notice you want for showing appointments. You can also set limits on the number of showings per day. Save your settings to implement the changes. Next, go back to the main dashboard. Click on Notifications in the settings. Choose how you would like to receive notifications for new showing requests. You can select email, text, or both. Once notifications are set, return to the Showings tab. Review your listing to make sure all details are accurate. You are now ready to automate showings effectively. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with additional features. Consider exploring custom messages for showing confirmations. You can also create templates for quick responses. With automation in place, you'll streamline your showing process. This will allow you to focus on other important tasks in your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.